And you'll notice here I've kind of put this, and you'll see the equation is what I've done is I've done it in 0.05 increments. So I take whatever value I put here, and then I just add a 0.05. And I do it in such a way that the eventual average equals 1. So your spreadsheet should look like this right now. So it should have a 1 here. Now let's go to the weighted. So we found the average here. And what you're going to find is that it's not, and we're going to test this week. But what I found is that medians are much better at trying to predict these games than averages. Why do you think so?
Well, because there could be an outlier, and then it screws up.
Totally, yes. That's what happens. What I've noticed is sometimes teams lay down. And they just basically give up. So you get all these like blowouts, right? Are these really truly reflective of the NFL scores? No. So that's where the median comes into advantage, is you're just taking the middle value. So it could be really high, really low. It doesn't matter as long you're just taking the median value. If you take an average, you got to average those huge differences into your construction for your algorithm, and it kind of throws everything off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the medians now. Okay, again, we can put our cursor in here. Okay. Right now, we're taking T2 to AF2. You can see it's not going to week 12 or week 13. So week 13 is column AG, so let's correct that. G. Put your cursor on the end and hit return. Oh, wait, how did that work? That should work. A2 through AG. I just don't know why I'm getting one. Oh, it's because it's averaging that. Okay. Oops. See, if you click on it and click something else, it'll put that into the equation. So let's get rid of that. Sorry about that. Okay. Now let's go down here and drag this function all the way down. Everybody with me? All right. That is basically how you set up, how you update your main page. And it's this main sheet is where we're going to draw. This is going to form the basis of everything that we predict or anything that we observe of the NFL. This is kind of our meat and potatoes plate. And then we can add all kinds of Brussels sprouts or, a fancy wine or whatever we want to it. But this is your meat and potatoes of your algorithm right here. How much the team gives up, how much does it take away? All right. And also we have standard deviations. We can put any statistical thing here we want. What do you think the standard deviation tells you? Have you heard of standard deviation? Oh, you will. All right. Well, let's stop here for this thing. But again, I think this shows you how to kind of set this up. So let me stop this.